Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with Ani. So here is our part 2 of our tutorial. So first of all we have to import some assets. So I have provided the link in the description. So here's the video. You could just go first of all to this link and you will be redirected to here. You just need to download all these because we will use them later on in the game. And then from here you could download these assets. Let me tell you, FSM AI template, this one, and then you have to, and we will then import the polygon western pack, and we also need third person controller shooter template, v bot climb, v cross platform input, v free climb add-on, free v swimming add-on. We will use these three assets later, but right now we have to use these. So we have to first go to our build settings and change the scene from PC, Mac, Linux to Android. Here you will get a switch button, then switch, and then you have to go back, and when it's downloaded just drag and drop the V cross platform input to the game and then import everything which I have told you. First import this, otherwise you would get some errors. So after importing you would get some folders like this: third person controller, AI controller. So if you go to third person controller basic, you would get some demo scenes. We'll be using, wait, yeah, V shooter mobile with inventory. We would open this scene and you could see, hopefully everything will work. We play this, let's see what happens. Yeah, we could get the buttons, clear. We could try to aim, could log on target. Even a high recoil, let's go. Let's hit, let's hit someone else. Like, come, we would go up. So he could kill us also, like, oh, he came here also. We are dead now, so it will restart the game. So what you have to do is, remove this environment and readme, and you would just need to save it as a new scene. So would go back. Where's my scene? Yeah, level 1. So I have added many more things, but the basis is that only. So when you add these things, you would add our environment, which could be found from the polygon western prefabs environment. As we could drag and drop, copy paste from the demo scene and made its prefab also. Yeah, here it is. It's prefab. If drag and drop from the scene of the demo and paste it here. So what you have to do is when it comes here, you must import these things. The when you will play, everything must work fine. The enemies could kill and etc. The enemy will kill you also like that.